Hi guys, this is Susan. I want to tell you something about how to become free with the Kundalini. As you can see, I'm more and more free. How does this happen? Because of the Kundalini. The Kundalini comes up through the body, through all of your chakras, and start to see what is the things that are holding us back. Family conditions, pride, envy, greed, all that stuff. There is no way the Kundalini wants to be involved in that. If it's still involved, it's not the Kundalini that I'm talking about. It's not the divine love. It's not the love from God, from nature. It's something else. So when this energy moves through the heart, through the third eye, there's wisdom. And there is still, of course, other wisdoms here in this world trying to prove that they are right. There's the one thing I really know for sure, and that is the Kundalini for the white light, for the love, for the connection with the light, with the love, with eternity, with divine love, connection from the heart, from this beautiful flowering, what you see in nature, flowers, the birds, all the animals, they are connecting with this love, this eternal love that's here. So when you start to do Kundalini, start to feel this movement through your body, you feel these blocks, these energy layers, these dense energy layers, and it wants to release it, unblock it. Maybe you feel the next day like really bizarre and weird about it, but that's coming out, and then at one point it starts to dissolve totally because it needs to go through all these layers of energy, and then it's out, and then you are more free. And free means freedom of speech, freedom of connection, freedom of your sexuality, freedom of eventually knowing that we are a soul, that we're always alive. So even if we pass over, how we call it in this realm, that we start to pass over to another realm, we are still not passed over because we are eternal. It's just the flesh that goes away, but the spirit always stays. The spirit will always stay and be here. As one. So even when I'm feeling this energy now, transmitting, I could feel like this immense energy coming through me from the Kundalini and sharing wisdom. This is also in you. It's not just like the people who do this Kundalini thing. No, it's also in you. You have this wisdom. They have the ability to heal, to become one. Every disease is out of line, out of alignment. But we chose the disease. And that is okay. But if we want to get the alignment back into fullness, we can work with that disease. Asking God to help us with the disease. Maybe we have to pass over. Maybe it's our time. Maybe not. And we can work with it. We can use all kinds of tools. Herbs. Love. That's the biggest. Love is the biggest. The earth, the plants, the sea. And there's a cat coming. She's pregnant. So she tells me also about life, birthing. She wants to make a connection constantly. Why? Because she's connecting with the babies inside of her belly, then connecting to me. And she's already learning, the babies, that we can connect with humans. That's what she's doing. Telling the babies it's okay to be with humans. She's learning them. Okay, maybe I have some understanding now towards you, and if you want to know more about my courses, about the Kundalini, where I can offer you many, many, many wisdoms and also initiations for your body, you can contact and just watch below where the contact details are.